Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use saved audio on Instagram on your story. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you have the Instagram application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top, you can see the icon of adding your story. Tap over there. Now this kind of page will appear. Now you need to choose the photo or the video that you want to keep on your story using the audio. For example, we will go for the first one. Now at the top you can see the music icon. You need to tap over there. Now this kind of interface will appear. You can either search for the music yourself and apply it, or else you can see the option saved. You can go over there. Now here you can see list of all the saved audios. Now you need to choose the one that you want to keep on your story. For example, we will go for the first one. You will be my girl. You can also select the option to display it on your story like the way you prefer. And after you are done choosing, you can simply tap on the option done at the top right corner. After you are done, you need to simply tap on the option your story at the bottom left. And now you can see that the story has been uploaded using your saved audio. And this is how you can use saved audio on your Instagram story. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.